Welcome to the Taylor Product Lab inside the Middleby Innovation Kitchen. The Taylor Product Lab is where innovation meets flavor. Today, we're taking a closer look at the revolutionary C716 multi-flavor soft serve freezer with heat treat. Let's dive right in and discover what sets this incredible machine apart. The heat treat system is designed to keep dairy products fresh for up to 28 days without needing to completely take apart and clean the machine. It uses a daily heating and cooling cycle to safely maintain the products. In addition, we offer our Brush Butler program where you can leave the entire cleaning process to our team of Taylor expert service technicians. They handle the cleaning every 28 days and also perform preventative maintenance 4 times a year. Say goodbye to the daily maintenance hassle. With the C716, your focus can remain on serving delicious ice cream to your valued customers. The C716 takes efficiency to the next level, allowing you to serve more products to your customers faster than ever before. You will enjoy a whopping 40 or more consecutive servings before it needs a break to recover. This incredible machine can produce a remarkable 15 gallons of product per hour. We take pride in ensuring that each and every serving looks identical, maintaining a consistent quality that your customers will love. Imagine the convenience and efficiency of serving up that much product to satisfy even the busiest of crowds. The C716 offers you the option of 2 separate flavors. And when you're feeling adventurous, why not go for the twist? You can also expand your flavor offerings with ease via Flavor Burst. This amazing add-on installs directly onto the freezer spouts and seamlessly integrates into your existing setup. With Flavor Burst, you can greatly increase your menu options without the need for multiple machines or tons of extra space. The C716 multi-flavor with heat treat is designed to be easier to clean and operate. With its user-friendly interface, streamlined maintenance, and expandable menu options, you can spend less time worrying about the nitty-gritty and more time delighting your customers with their favorite soft serve creations. Visit taylor-company.com or call your distributor today to learn more about the incredible C716 multi-flavor with heat treat. Taylor. Good things start here.